I'm so glad to finally be saying that. So today I am going to be trying to teach myself how to film a tutorial as fast as possible before my camera dies, because it's just my luck. For some reason my battery was not charging the entire time I was getting ready before this, so also don't mind my super nasally voice. I'm just getting over a cold, which is also just my luck, you know. Thankfully my COVID test was negative, but you know, it was already stressful enough my entire life trying to differentiate between my allergies acting up. COVID's thrown into that, but I'm back, I'm feeling good, and here we go. So I'm actually going to be trying to recreate a makeup look that I found on Pinterest, and I actually already tried to film this tutorial once. I filmed the entire thing from start to finish, and the look just turned out exactly the same as my winter soft glam from last year. I was like, okay, I didn't mean for this to happen, but now I've tried a couple different techniques and I think I have this look figured out. But this is what I'm trying to mimic. It's just so pretty. But I'm going to do this as a get ready with me, so let's go ahead and start with my base products. Already on my face, I have my Monat Be Balanced Moisturizer, and I have my Kane & Austin Mattifying Primer, which this I am running out of at a alarming rate, and Kane & Austin is not restocking this on their website, and I'm getting nervous. But so for foundation, I am going in with one of my all-time favorites. This is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue in the shade 111. It's definitely not the best thing to be wearing a turtleneck while applying foundation, but we're gonna make do. So I'm just starting by dotting this on my face and then blending it out with my Beauty Bakery sponge. By the way, definitely be careful what you wish for, because originally I was supposed to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday after Christmas and before New Year's Eve, and Elijah didn't have to. He didn't have to go back to work until the 4th. And I was like, oh my gosh, I so wish that I had that schedule right now. And then boom, I got sick. And I did not have any PTO left to use because I don't know what it is. It takes forever to accumulate. I don't know what year of my employment I will finally be accumulating PTO quicker, but hopefully I'm almost there, because I just run out so fast and they take it out for holidays too, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is, you know. So I worked on Monday and I really thought just my allergies were flared up, because I actually felt better as the day went on, but then by that night I was just like, oh man, a virus is getting me. But sometimes you just need to take a loss, you know. I was like, it's fine that I don't have PTO, it's not the best, but it's a lot more important to stay home and get healthy again versus forcing yourself to go to work sick, especially during a pandemic. Elijah is so good to me. For one of my Christmas presents, he got me the Nars Soft Matte Concealer. I was like, if you're stopping in Sephora for me, I wouldn't mind this. And he actually did. I love that. I did have to exchange the shade though. I thought the shade Madeline was gonna be my perfect match because it looked like it would be on mine, but then it was too deep and too peachy tone. I was like, come on, I just want to show it off in my tutorials, you know, and be like, I'm going in with shade Madeline, and I'm Madeline. Channel. So anywho, I exchanged it for the shade Light 1 Chantilly. Okay, I don't have a good brush to apply this with, so I'm just gonna use my ring finger. Yeah, this shade looks perfect for underneath the eyes. So now I am setting my whole face with my usual Too Faced Peach Perfect mattifying powder. There we go. Now we can roll this bad boy back up here. I've actually worn this for so many of my recent videos, and it's so funny because it's like I haven't worn it since like that last video. So I'm like, oh yeah, I haven't worn that in a while, I'm gonna wear it. And I'm like, wait, I wore this last time. It's just so cute. This top is from Shein. I'll have it linked down below. It comes in a bunch of different colors and I kind of want all of them. Okay, so for contour, I am going in with another new product from Christmas. I'm so excited. My mom got me the Natasha Denona Contour Sculpting Powder that I wanted, and this is in the shade Medium 2. This was a great thing to ask for Christmas, because if you have watched my videos for a long time, I have literally used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette in all of my makeup tutorials, and I really wanted to splurge and get a higher end contour, but I just like, I couldn't get myself to do it. So mom came in clutch here. Oh my gosh, it was so hard with this lighting because I have the natural lighting pouring in and it's like too much contrast with the camera, and this nose contour is not gonna be good. Oh my gosh, this powder blends out so good. Like, just when you think that you made your nose look absolutely terrible, the Natasha Denona sculpting powder is like, oh no, you did not. For my cheekbones, I picked up this Marc Jacobs, it's actually a blush brush, but I bought this when it was on sale on Sephora's website. It might still be, and I loved this for contouring. For bronzer, I'm going in with my Nars Laguna. I also got this 50% off from TJ Maxx. And I actually also love to use a blush brush to apply this. This is by Cosmetic, and it's just so full and plush. It's perfect for bronzer, not blush. I don't know if they make like mirrors on a tripod or what, but I need something because right now I'm using a candle holder and then I have my regular makeup mirror on it, but it's so low. It's making this kind of tricky, but it works. For blush, I'm going in with my very old but very trusty Tarte Blush Bazaar palette. I just think the packaging is so cute. This was actually from a few years ago, but I love it. The formulation has not changed at all since when I first got it. It's a very good palette. I hope that they bring it out again. Let's go in with the shade Endless. For highlighter also, I'm going in with a discontinued product, unfortunately. But if you have this in your collection, definitely start using it again because I did. I'm obsessed with it all over again. This is the Jaclyn Hill Flash Highlighting Palette, and I'm going to be applying this with her JH07 brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade Iced, which is this one over here. For my nose highlight though, I am using the Morphe M213 brush. This is perfect for highlighting the nose. Alright, then I'm just making sure that's all blended together. So I'm just using my Colourpop Brow Boss in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just gonna do this eyebrow off camera to save some battery life. So I'm just gonna set this all into place with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then let's move on to trying that eye look a second time here. What my main issue was when I first tried this eye look out is I used a cool tone brown and it just threw everything off. So what I'm gonna do is going in with the Natasha Denona Biba palette. So I'm actually first going to go in with the shade Tusk down here just to set my whole lids. I feel like that wasn't the best English, but A for effort. So now I'm going to put this one shade all over my lids. This is the shade Seed. So I'm just really packing this on the brush. I think I am going to smoke just a little bit underneath my eye. I'm just going to blend out the edges just with a blending brush, no added product. So as you can tell, that's just nice and blended on the edges. I'm just going to do this exact same thing to the other eye off camera super quick, and then we'll add in the glitter and we are almost done. Alright you guys, so I have that shade all blended out. Now it's time for the most challenging, nerve-wracking part, because the issue that I have been running into, and I've been practicing just on the back of my hand for this look and whatnot, is that the glitter will shift around the eyeshadow underneath it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Bling Bling liquid eyeshadow. These are such a perfect dupe for the Stila Glitter and Glow, I think they're called, liquid eyeshadows. So I'm just going to lightly press the product just on my lid. So it's taken 10 years, but I'm just lightly stamping it on my eyelid. I'm just looking up and it's kind of rolling the product on and blending itself out. It's actually somehow working and I'm so excited. I don't want it to look as chunky as it looks right now, so I am going to try to lightly blend it out with my finger. Okay, so I did just apply some to my inner corner also, and I really like how that looks. Alright, I don't know why I didn't do this in the first place. When you use the entire applicator and just lightly press the entire thing on your lid, it works a lot better instead of a bunch of little dots. Dabbing a bit more in the center of my eyes. So I'm just going to do a quick coat of mascara on my lashes and then pop on some fake eyelashes. So you definitely could just stop here with mascara, but I like to make things extra complicated for myself. So we are going to pop on some fake eyelashes. And I'm going to go in with Lilly Lashes Doha. I love these because they're still dramatic without being too overkill for me. You definitely need these eyelashes to complete the look. Yay! Okay, so just kind of tie this all together in my waterline. I'm going in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in black. Well, I think it's the shade Swerve. There we go. So then for lips, they are already prepped with the Lush Lip Service Lip Balm. I love this. It has such a nice light tangerine scent. For lip liner, I'm going in with the KKW Beauty Nude 1. And then for my lip color, I have not used this in so long. This is the Patrick Ta Monochromatic Moment Silky Lip Creme. And this is in the shade She's Unapologetic. I'm actually going to top it off with the Dose of Color Sand Matte Liquid Lip, just because the Patrick Ta is just a little bit too pink for my liking. Then I'm going to go in with the Madison Beer Morphe Lip Gloss in the shade Mercury. Alright you guys, that completes this video. I don't know how my camera hasn't died yet, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!